Welcome to Advocate Babusaheb Bhonde High School. My name is Poonam Gupta, your second standard teacher. Today we will take subject mathematics from your mathematics textbook of standard second. Our topic is comparing numbers. Page number 36 and 37 of your mathematics textbook. So children, please take out page number 36 of your mathematics textbook.
Hello students, I hope you all are healthy and fine. I have asked you because we all are stuck at our home because of this corona. Nowadays, to keep ourselves safe from corona, we are using sanitizers, wearing mask and keeping ourselves neat and clean. Because of that, we are having bundles of different masks here. So here I also have some mask. Let's see. Here we have some red mask and some yellow mask. So tell me children, which color mask I have more? I have to count that for. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 red masks. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 yellow masks. Now, which mask, color of the mask I have more? I have yellow mask more than red mask. How do you know that children? With the help of picture, right? So 6 is greater than 4. Children, with the help of picture or things, we can come to know that these things are more than this thing. But without picture, how do we compare anything without the picture? Let us see with some example here. Here they have given circle the bigger or greater number in each box. Means here they have given two numbers in each question. So you have to find out of that two which one is greater. So here we have 5 and here we have 7. Now we will learn how to take out the greater number without the help of drawing. We are not going to draw any picture. So how to get this? For that we have to write the number here of serial order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 5 and 7. So I am writing 1 to 7 here. So which number will come first? Here which number is coming first? 5. Here in serial order 5 is before then 7. 5 is before then 7. So 5 is smaller and 7 is greater. 5 is smaller and 7 is greater because 7 is coming afterwards. Okay. So here with the help of serial order we can come to know that 7 is a greater number here. Like that we will do next question. Here we have 8 and 3. So we have to write the number till 8. Now children, tell me which number will come first and which number will come afterwards out of these two. here 3 is coming first and 8 is coming afterwards. So which one will be the greater number? Yes, 8 is coming afterwards. So 8 is a greater number here. So I hope children you understood that the number which comes afterwards, it is greater than the before one. Okay. Now we will see the next one here. Here we have 10 and 3. So we have to write the number till 10 in a serial order. So children, now tell me which number will come first. Here out of 3 and 10, 3 is coming before, then 10 means 10 is coming afterwards, then 3. So which is the greater number here? 10 is coming afterwards, so 10 is a greater number here. Like that children, we will do the circle the number in each boxes with the help of serial order. Here we have 7 and 3. So we will write number till 7. Now children, tell me, first we have to find which number will come before, then the other. Here 3 and 7. 1, 2, 3 means here we have 3 and 7, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is coming afterwards. So 7 is greater and 3 is smaller. Means what we have to do here children? Circle the smaller number. So we have to circle the smaller number. The number which come before is a smaller number. Like that we will do the next one. Here we have two number 4 and 7. So we have to write number till 7 first. Now we have to see which number will come first and which number will come afterwards out of these two. Here we have 4 and 7. Let us see 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5, 6, 7. So tell me children, which number came first? Here 4. So 4 is a smaller number out of this 2. So children, I hope you understood this. To take out the bigger or smaller number with the help of serial order. Now children, we will see some symbols of comparing numbers, how to show the bigger or smaller number with the help of symbol. With this same example here. Here we have two numbers 5 and 7 and we have taken out that 7 is greater number. So how to write that? First we will come to know before that about the symbols of comparing numbers. Here we have first symbol, that is of smaller than sign. This symbol stand for smaller than, means with your left hand side, if you open your fingers and thumb, you will get the sign of smaller than. Okay, and this is the sign of greater than. If you open your fingers and thumb from the right hand side, you will get the symbol of greater than sign, and this is the symbol of equals to. This is the symbol of equals to. So children, again, this is the symbol of smaller than, this is the symbol of greater than, and this is the symbol of equal to. Now children, we will see how the symbol of smaller than, greater than and equals to sign used for with the help of this crocodile. Children, see, this is a crocodile. The crocodile is greedy. It needs a bigger number. It eats only the bigger number. So whenever he saw the bigger number out of these two, he opened its mouth towards the greater number. So here we can see that we have 7 and 2. So which number will come first and which number will come afterwards? Yes, 7 number will come later, 2 will come before. So 7 is a greater number. So children, so which number will eat by crocodile? Yes, 7 number will eat by crocodile. So 7, the crocodile will open his mouth towards the bigger number. So 7 here is a bigger and 2 is a smaller number. So we will put the sign open towards the greater number. Like here it is given 7 is a greater number and 3 is a smaller number. So the crocodile's mouth is open towards the greater number than smaller. Okay, now we will take one example. This is the question here. We will read first. Insert the sign lesser than or greater than or equals to between the two numbers. So we have to find out of these two numbers which one is greater. With the help of serial order, we will solve this question. First, here we have 1 and 9. So we will write the number from 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So tell me children, now you all know how to take out the greater and smaller number. So first what we have to do? We have to check which number will come before and which number will come later. Here out of 1 and 9, 1 comes before the 9. So 1 is smaller number because it comes before 9. So how to write with the help of symbol of greater, smaller or equals? Here 9 is greater than 1. So crocodile will open his mouth towards the greater number and 1 is a smaller number. Like this, we will take one more example. Here we have 7 and 5. So we have to write numbers from 1 to till 7. So we will write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So out of these two, first we have to find which number will come first. So out of 7 and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means 5 comes before 7. So which number will smaller and which number is greater children? Yes, 5 is smaller than 7, or in other words we can call it as 7 is greater than smaller than 5. So we will open the crocodile's mouth towards the greater number. Out of these two numbers, Tell me children, which one is greater? Yes, 7 is greater because 7 comes later out of this 2 number. So we will open the crocodile's mouth towards a bigger number. Like, now children, I hope you understood this, how to put the symbol of greater, smaller sign. Now we will take one example of equals. Here we have number 6. Here also we have number 6. So tell me children, which sign will come here? Which number out of this 2 will come later or will come afterwards? Here we don't need to write any numbers. Why? Because these 2 numbers are both are same. 6. Here also we have 6. So we will put the sign of equals to. So we will put the sign of equals to because they both are same. Because equals means same. Okay? Now we will take one more example of different question. Here we have 20 and 9. Out of this 20 and 9, shall we have to write 1 to 20 numbers? No children. Why? Because here we have 2-digit number. 20 is 2-digit number and 9 is 1-digit number. So out of this 2, 1-digit number is smaller. Why? Because 1-digit number comes before then 2-digit number every time. We all know that children. So we don't need to write numbers. We can come to know by looking at that 1-digit number is smaller than any 2-digit number. Okay? So which sign we will put here? Here 2-digit is always greater than 1-digit. So we will put the greater than sign or open the crocodile's mouth towards the greater number. Here we have 20 as a greater number and 9 is a smaller number because 20 is 2-digit number and 9 is 1-digit number. So children, please remember, a 2-digit number is always greater than a 1-digit number. A 2-digit number is always greater than a 1-digit number. Now children, I hope you all understood that how to compare single digit number with each other and how to put the greater than, smaller than or lesser than or greater than or bigger than or equals to sign between these 2 numbers for comparing. And we also learned that how the single digit number or 1-digit number is always smaller than 2-digit number. Okay? Now we will understand how to compare 2 numbers of both 2-digit here. Here we have both number of 2-digit. So how to solve that? Let us see. Here we have number 23. Here we have 2-digit number. 3 is unit place and 2 is it in tens place. And here also we have 2 is at unit place and 4 is at tens place. So how to compare 2-digit number if we have both are 2-digit? So for that, the number with a greater tens, the number with a greater tens digit is greater number. Here at tens place we have 4 and here at tens place we have 2. So how we will check that children? Yes, out of this 4 and 2, which number is greater? 4. And which number is lesser? 2. So for this out we will come to know this 2 is smaller. So this number 23 is smaller than 42 because the tens place here is greater than here's tens place. Here we have 4 and here we have 2. So the crocodile mouth will open towards the greater side. Here we have 42, means 42 is greater than 23. So we will put the sign of lesser than, means 23 is lesser than 42. To understand this, we will take one more example here. We have 30 here and 50. So we will understand with name of the place. 0 is at unit place and tens is at 5 is at tens place. Here we have 0 is at units place and 3 at tens place. So how we will check, children? Yes, number of a tens place. Here we have 3 at a tens place and 5 at a tens place. So out of these two number 5 and 3, which one is greater and which one is smaller? 3 will come before then 5. So here 30 is smaller because 3 comes before then 5. So we will put the lesser than sign because 30 is lesser than 50 because the tens place here 3 is lesser than tens place here 5. Okay. So we will open the mouth of the crocodile towards the greater side, greater number. Here we have 50 is greater than 30. Now children, we will take one more example of different kind. Here we have 78, 78 and 7 to 72 or 70 plus 8 78, 70 plus 2 72. So how to solve this, children? Let's see. Here we have, again we will write the place, the name of the place. Here in this number 72, 2 is at unit place and 7 is at tens place. Here 8 is at unit place and 7 is at tens place. So how we will check, children? Yes, by seeing the greater tens. Here at tens place we have 7 and here also at tens place we have 7. So both the number are equal, children. Is both the number are equal? No. Why? Because here we have at unit place we have different numbers. So this both numbers are not equal. So how to see that, children? Remember, children, if the tens are equal of both number, then the unit value will help you to understand which one is greater and which one is smaller. So here at unit place we have 8 and at unit place here we have 2. So out of this 8 and 2, which number is greater and which number is smaller? Yes, 2 is smaller and 8 is greater. So first number is greater. So we will put the greater than sign, means 78 is greater than 72. Now we will open the crocodile mouth toward the greater number, So here 78 is greater than 72 because the unit place is greater than this number. Okay. Here why we have checked unit place? Because here tens place are same. For 2-digit number, children, remember we are comparing the number with the help of tens place. But if the tens place are equal, the digits in the units place will help you to understand which one is greater and which one is smaller. Now we will take one more example here. It's easy, children. Can you tell me which one is greater and which one is smaller out of these two numbers? Yes, it's easy. Why? Because we can see that this number is 22 and this number is also 22. Here at unit place we have the same number, and at tens place also we have 2. Here also we have at units place 2, and here also we have at tens place 2. Both the tens place first we will check here. Tens place are here at tens place we have 2, and at the place of unit also we have 2. So both are equal. So which sign we will use? Yes, equals to sign. So we will put the sign of equals to. So remember, children, the number with the greater tens digit is the greater number. If the tens are equal, the digits in unit place will help you. Remember, children, for 2-digit number, these points will help you to understand which one is greater and which one is smaller.
Children, I hope you understood this topic. So please do practice at home. So, thank you and bye-bye for now. We will meet you in the next video. So like, subscribe and share our channel.